How to enable or disable forwarding calls on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to follow this video till the end. So first of all, open up your dialer. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply go to settings. Now tap on carrier related settings. Now simply tap on call forwarding. Now select a SIM card. Now wait for some time. Now to enable forwarding calls, simply enable toggle for always forwarding. Now once you enable it, enter your phone number. Now simply tap on OK. Now enter your phone number and tap on OK once you're done. Now you have to wait for some time. Now, now to disable the forwarding calls, simply disable the toggle and you are set to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.